Hello everyone, welcome to my channel here at my parallel universe. Welcome to this episode of vlog 130. Today's date April 10, 2019, and I will be making some do-it-yourself pond for my guppy and some goldfish here today. And I hope you do enjoy my do-it-yourself pond as I make it today. And if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe here at my parallel universe, right? And I hope you do enjoy. Thank you. Have a nice day.